complex and intricate process is still in its early stages, but rapid advancements in technology are continuously pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Mammoth undertaking reviving extinct species. One of the most ambitious de-extinction projects is reviving the woolly mammoth, an iconic creature that roamed the Earth during the Ice Age. Colossal Biosciences, a pioneering company in genetic research, is working tirelessly to bring back this majestic Ice Age giant. Their innovative approach combines advanced gene editing techniques, cutting-edge stem cell research, and sophisticated assisted reproductive technologies. Scientists are meticulously editing the genome of Asian elephants to introduce specific mammoth traits, aiming to recreate the mammoth's unique characteristics. Once these genetic modifications are complete, the next crucial step is to create a viable mammoth embryo in the lab. The ultimate goal of this groundbreaking project is to establish a sustainable population of these Arctic-adapted elephants in their natural habitat. Rewilding with mammoths could play a significant role in slowing down permafrost thawing, which is a major contributor to global climate change. Section 4. Ethical considerations. Weighing the implications of resurrection. The prospect of bringing back extinct species raises profound ethical and ecological questions. One major concern is the welfare of the animals involved in de-extinction efforts. Creating animals through genetic engineering and cloning can result in health problems or suffering. Another dilemma is the potential impact of reintroduced species on existing ecosystems. Introducing a resurrected species could disrupt food webs or outcompete native species. Critics argue that resources for de-extinction could be better spent on conserving currently endangered species. Section 5. A future with the past. Prospects and possibilities. Despite challenges, the future of biological resurrection technology holds immense promise. Advancements in genetic engineering and data analysis are accelerating progress. The knowledge gained from de-extinction efforts could revolutionize conservation. By understanding genetic adaptations, scientists could help endangered species cope with climate change. Rewilding with resurrected species like the woolly mammoth could restore degraded ecosystems. Biological resurrection technology sparks our imagination and sense of wonder about the natural world. Open discussions about ethical implications, ecological risks, and potential benefits are essential.